Welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to demonstrate how to install artificial grass, which is a great alternative for making a low-maintenance, lush green lawn. Let's get started and discover the steps for installing artificial grass. Step 1. Make the location ready. The first step is to remove the area where you intend to put the artificial grass or any existing flora, pebbles, and rubbish. If necessary, you can increase the drainage by adding a layer of crushed stone or sand. Step 2. Measure and trim the grass. The prepared area should have the fake grass laid out over it and given time to adjust. After that, gauge the grass proportions and mark it accordingly. To create clean cuts, use a utility knife or a carpet cutter. Step 3. Install the foundation material. Next, cover the area with a layer of decomposed granite, silica sand, or an infill substance made especially for artificial grass. To distribute the base material evenly and produce a firm and stable surface, use a rake or brush. Step 4. Lay and secure the grass. Place the artificial grass over the prepared area with care. Any folds or creases in the grass should be smoothed out. The grass's corners and edges should next be secured using landscaping staples or galvanized nails. Step 5. Shape and trim the edges. Trim any extra grass along the borders with a sharp utility knife. For a professional finish, cut with clean, straight lines. This step could be completed slowly to guarantee accurate trimming and a tidy appearance. Step 6. Fluff and brush the grass. Use a strong broom or power brush to sweep the grass fibers against the grain to create a natural appearance. The grass will appear thicker and the blades will be lifted as a result. To uniformly distribute the infill material, be sure to brush in several directions. Step 7. Add infill material. To improve the stability and functionality of the artificial grass you have chosen, you might need to add infill material. To choose the right infill material and application technique, refer to the manufacturer's instructions. You now have a gorgeous artificial grass lawn that is expertly constructed. Your new artificial grass will maintain its beautiful green color all year long with little care. In order to help you install artificial grass, we hope that this instruction has been useful.